Let's make the viral coconut candle without using any mold. For the making of this candle, I am using wax candles that I bought from the local store, wax crayons, gel wax that I bought online, and aluminum foil that I have already shaped into a coconut shell. First, I melt the candle and add brown crayon to create realistic coconut shell shade. Then I carefully take out the wick so I can reuse it. I melted my wax on the gas stove, but you can use whatever works best for you. You can use a microwave, an induction cooktop, or even a candle making wax melter if you have. I pour the wax into the foil shells and rotate it around so the wax coated the inside evenly. After the first layer sets, I repeat the process to make the shell thicker and sturdier. Once the wax has completely hardened, I carefully peeled away the aluminum foil. Okay, after removing the aluminum foil, I trimmed the edges using a cutter to give it a more natural coconut shape. Add some textures and details to the shells, which made it look so much more realistic. Next, I pour a small amount of white wax into the shell and let it set slightly. Then I place the wick in the center. After that, I pour more white wax to create the coconut flesh and let it harden a bit. Using a spoon, I gently curve out the center, leaving the edges intact just like a real coconut. Finally, I'm pouring clear gel wax to create the look of fresh coconut water. What do you think of this coconut candle? Is this looks real or not? Let me know in the comments and follow me for more DIY and craft ideas.